10 tips for weight loss. Healthy eating and regular exercise. Remember that the stylish way to weight loss combines healthy eating and regular exercise. It's important you stay centered on both these areas. 2. Eat sluggishly and bite your food well. Put your chopstick down between mouthfuls and do not pick them up until you have finished biting. 3. Allocate the applicable quantum for each food group, rather than putting the food on the table and letting everyone help themselves. 4. Snacking. If you feel like snacking, try going for a walk instead. Before you go, have a good drink of water. Hunger is frequently disguising thirst. 5. Stop the problem at the source. If you have a problem with junk food and cannot repel the temptation at home, do not buy any junk food. At least limit the quantum you buy to 1 item per week. 6. Eat lower refections, but more frequently. A healthy mess will be a lot more satisfying than a packet of chips or a drink. 7. Drink fresh rather than soft drinks. This will cut down on your sugar input and is a far better solution than the artificial sweeteners. In those diet soft drinks. 8. Set yourself a weight target. Stick to it. Write down your progress and hang it on the fridge. It'll be a helpful memorial every time you go in the kitchen. 9. Try the healthiest option. If you do have to go for junk food, for illustration, try to get the burger with the most salad on it, or get some salads to accompany the mess. 10. Increase your stimulation situations, and stay on track. However, you'll find it hard to concentrate on your thing. Wait, if your hassle drops, click the link below for more information.